Hi, welcome to EasyTechProgrammers YouTube channels. In this video, I will teach you about conditional operators. Okay, so what is conditional operators? This operators is also known as ternary operators. It's used to check one expression is true or not. So the syntax of this operator is conditional, then question marks, then true expressions, clone, and then false expressions. If the condition is true, then it will execute true expressions. If the condition is false, then it will execute false expression. Okay, let's check it with code. So I already write some code here. I write here main functions, and I write three variables with integer data types. One is a, and I assign 2 in this a variables, and b next variables, and I assign 4 in these variables, and I declare a variables with no initialized value, that is result, because in result I store the condition result. Okay, so I write here condition a greater than b, then I have to write this question mark. Okay, so I write here question mark, and I have to give, if this condition is give true, then I have to I want to print here, I want to initialize the value with 4, and then if the false, then I store 5 in the result. Okay, so let's check out. A greater than b, that means 2 greater than 4, it's false, so it should give 5. Okay, let's check out this. Will run, it's give 5 because the condition is false, so it's execute the false expressions. Okay, so now I here give 4 and I give here 2. Let's check out. So it's give 4 because it's 4 greater than 2, it's true, so it's give us 4. Okay, so I write here any condition greater than, less than, and equal, double equals, to check that these operators are equal or not. So write here, so it's not 4 and 2 are not equal, so it should give false, and it should give 5 and print 5. Okay, so let's check out. It's give 5 because it's false, and if I write here also 4, so it's now it's true, so it should give 4. Okay, check out this, it's give 4. Okay, so this is conditional operators. It's known as ternary operators, and that's it for this video. If you don't understand anything in this video, you can comment me, and please like and share with your friends, and please subscribe my channels and press the bell icons for getting notifications. Okay, thank you, bye, and take care.